Yo, guess what? I've only gone and got myself a Lambo, but before we get into this video, go hit that subscribe button right now. Welcome to another video, guys. Right, I've gone and got myself a Lambo. Well, not Lambo as such, but the next best thing, a Lamborghini doors on an Escalade. Not an Escalade as such, but a Lamborghini door on my BMW E36. Yes, in this video, we're gonna talk about Lamborghini doors, okay, on a vehicle that is not a Lambo. Is that chavtastic? Are we being a bit too chavvy? Each to their own. That's what I say. Modify your car for yourself. I love it. Okay, so I thought I'll do a video and demonstrate the beauty of these Lamborghini doors. Okay, the ones that we recommend are the LSD doors, and this video is going to be predominantly on the LSD door hinges. They are the very best you can possibly buy with your money. Yes, in regards to the Lamborghini doors, if you know about TGH, you'll know about Top Gear Haze. And if you know about Top Gear Haze, you'll know about Haze Squad. Yes, Haze Squad. We were known as Haze Squad before. And we were the first group of guys to introduce Lamborghini's doors to the UK market. We've gone through all different types and styles. And we have come to accept that LSD door hinges are the very best that you can buy. Don't compromise on quality, because nothing beats the LSD door hinges, and I'll tell you why. Right, these are the LSD door hinges which we purchased good 10-15 years ago for one of our Golfs Mark III. The car has since been scrapped, but these door hinges has outlasted the car. The quality on these kits are absolutely amazing. Okay, nothing else quite comes close. Okay, and look at that. For a 15-year-old kit, no rust, no nothing, and it's as good as new. Okay, we were the first couple of guys in UK to introduce Lambo doors, and we have since gone through so many different styles and designs and found nothing else to come close to these LSD door hinges. So I suggest, do not go for anything else. Go with these. We endorse these. Okay. If you know about us, you'll know we are the experts in Lambo door hinges. Okay. And these are the ones you want to go for. LSD door hinges. Absolutely amazing. Okay. Let me get a closer look for you. Check that out. Okay. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Gas stripes as well. It outlasts the car, and you will not be disappointed. Okay, you get what you pay for with these kits. It's absolutely amazing. And if you want to get in touch right now, we can supply and fit. Okay, it's as good as the original Lambo doors. There you go, that's my Lamborghini, guys. You're either gonna like it or hate it, but I'm all right with that, okay? This was modified in the early 2000s for the Maxpower shows, and I absolutely love it. No doubt, a lot of you are not gonna like it, but I'm all right with that. It's okay. Everyone has an opinion, okay? This video is purely for the Lamborghini doors, but in the future videos I'll go into all the modifications that I have carried out in a bit more details. But until then, let's see what this Lamborghini door is all about. Okay, is it too chavvy? I think not. I think it looks absolutely amazing. it, the Lamborghini doors are down. So it opens up about 45 degrees. Okay, you can get in without having to take it up. Or you want to be cool, take it up. And out you come. Look at that. No effort whatsoever. Push of a button. Pow. It's absolutely amazing in my opinion. You might not like it, but as I say, it is what it is. You either like it or hate it, okay? But I love it. I love it. It's absolutely amazing. No effort. Right, so what I'm going to do now, give you a closer look at the kit. See how it is. You need to cut the fender slightly so the kit can fit in, but it's just these bit here. So you got your gas strut here and the kit there, and as simple. No effort whatsoever. So if you are looking for a kit like this, don't you worry. You're gonna absolutely love it. Okay, it will probably outlast the car. Okay, it's patented. Okay, all the safety checks have been done. Okay, so even in the event of an accident, okay, you will be perfectly fine. Okay, have a closer look at the kit here. So you cut the fender slightly. That's how far it comes out. Have a look from this side. Just to give you an idea of how far it opens up. About 45 degrees. You're not overly big. You should be able to comfortably come in and out without having to lift it up. As you can see, I can get in comfortably.